Okay, so in this video we're looking at how to get sticky residue off surfaces, namely plastic in this case. Right here I used to have a motivational quote taped onto this bedside table, and we're just going to look at how to get rid of the residue. I've got a damp cloth here. We could just scrub the whole thing with a damp cloth, but it would be a lot of work, so this is kind of like how to do it, what the easiest way to do it is, and we've got three things here that we're going to test. So we've got some homemade white vinegar cleaner, we've got some elbow grease, and we've got some sticky stuff remover. So let's have a look. So start off with the one that's least sort of likely to work. So we've sprayed it there and wiping away. It does come off, but it's not the smoothest, and you've still got some residue here. So we'll then go on to the elbow grease and just spray that on there. Now this stuff, you do have to be careful not to get it on yourself, and also just to make sure that you spot test it to stop it from damaging something, but it doesn't damage the colour on this. But here we go, so let's have a wipe with that. And again, it does come off, but there's still some residue left, so it's not the best. So we'll get rid of the vinegar cleaner and the elbow grease. This stuff is really good for cleaning most things, but just yeah, not getting sticky stuff off. So we've now got this sticky stuff remover. It's not necessarily the brand, just the product itself that we're interested in here. So what we're going to do is just spray it all around. Okay, so I've sprayed it around and let it sit there for a little bit. I'm now going to, what it says on the instructions is to actually dab it rather than wiping it. So we'll give that a try. So this stuff, it does smell like polish, sort of like you'd polish wood with. But yeah, it's really good, not just for getting sticky residue off something like this, but also just like any sort of product that you've got that you need to get sticky residue off. I sell things on eBay. Every now and then you'll have something that has a sticker on it, so it's really good stuff. So I am now wiping it. The dabbing's got rid of a lot of the sort of dirt, but it is just going to need that little bit of wiping just to get it off, and I'm probably just going to do like another small coat just to stop it from having any left over. Of course, could clean this with a sponge, but I just picked up the first thing, which was a cloth. But yeah, let's just put one more spray on there. Okay, and just back to the wiping. And there we go. So that is the sticky residue gone. Now, as I said, you could definitely do this. You do not have to buy any of these products. The links are in the description if you'd like to. But you can do it just with a cloth, you can do it just with a sponge, but this is the easiest way to do it. For something like this, I wouldn't go out and buy a product necessarily, but if you've got a lot of sticky stuff that you're looking to remove, especially if you've got kids around the house, because it also gets rid of other things. It's not just it's crayons, wax, labels, grease, wet paint, dirty marks, sticky tape residue, makeup spills and glue. So like if you've got kids, so if you're going to be using that kind of thing a lot, that is the stuff to get. But that is the finished product. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.